Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's health report, Shemela Pullen looks at chiropractic care.
Chiropractic care is gaining attention as a safe and effective option for managing everyday pain. It is especially helpful for neck and lower back discomfort. Many patients seek treatment for chronic pain, stiffness, and tension.
And sometimes when these conditions get advanced, people will feel pain from the neck radiating into the shoulder and the arm, and sometimes all the way down to the fingertips, depending on how much pressure we have on the spinal cord. And that usually suggests that there's a bulging disc in the neck pressing on directly on the spinal cord and causing what we call radicular symptoms running down the arm to the fingers. And you have a similar condition in the low back called sciatica, where the low back pain starts to travel down one or both legs, and at that point we know that there's a disc resting upon the spinal cord.
These issues are often caused by poor posture or long hours of sitting. Practitioners use targeted adjustments to relieve pain and improve mobility. It can be safe and effective.
Depends on the severity of the condition and the causes for the conditions that people come in here with. We see a lot of people who have had serious car accidents 20, 30 years ago, and their spines are going through a breakdown process of, we call it subluxation degeneration. In medicine, they would call it osteoarthritis, which is the bones take on an irregular appearance. They start to grow bone spurs in response to injuries 20, 30, 40 years ago. So we see a lot of people who have had old injuries here. And in my early years, I used to wonder, some people were so badly injured, I wonder if we're going to be able to help them with chiropractic. But what do I know? We apply the chiropractic adjustments, see how they do. And it's just been gratifying to see so many hundreds or even thousands of people over the years regain function.
But this warning to persons when seeking chiropractic care.
There are chiropractors right now posting social media videos, and they're working on necks, but they're not using their hands. They're wrapping a towel around somebody's neck and yanking on it. And this is a very dangerous procedure. It is an illegal chiropractic move. It's not taught in any chiropractic college. It's banned. People can have strokes from it, and they can even die from it. So as a chiropractor, I tell my patients never go to anybody who wraps a towel around your neck and yanks on it. Goodness sakes, what could possibly go wrong?
With your health report, I'm Shemela Pullen, wishing you good health.